is fair. I'm crazy about you, baby, can't you see? And he's so delighted if you would come with me. On the wings of love, with above the clouds, the only way to fly. It's on the wings of love, on the wings of love, only the two of us together, flying high, flying high upon the wings of love. Belong to me, the music's exclusively. Right now we're living free, sha-la. Inseparable, let's see. We're going like a stream running free, traveling on the wings of
Manoli,
our birthday
it's your song goddess,
Thank you.
birthday celebrant.
Happy birthday.
Reggie, this is for you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Wow, matching butterfly.
Everybody say happy birthday!
Thank you. At syempre, isn't it wonderful to be in this business? You get to age.
That's right.
On air, on television.
Never mind, never mind. It's only in your mind.
Oo, matanda naman si Ogie sa'yo.
Dahil birthday mo
Yeah,
ngayon,
okay na lang.
bibigyan namin ikaw ng 5 wishes.
That's right. Now, here's a special something. Each wish that you wish for, we will set one dove free. You know why?
Why?
Because you're on the wings of love.
Ang ganda.
Ang lalim ha.
So,
Ang ganda nun.
one wish, we will set one dove
So
free.
hopefully matuloy, ano?
Yes.
Okay, I wish for
Nako,
a
Hindi,
lover,
hindi mo na.
the morning sun.
You wish for the
Hindi mo
dove
na.
to be free.
Yes. I wish that my SOP family will always be together.
All right, wish number 1. Come on, set the dove free. Let's go! Let it fly! Okay.
Okay, mukhang
Wish-
ayaw niyang
Wish number 2.
Wish number 2, I wish that I'd be able to direct another artist for a music video.
Hey! Present. Okay. Buti pa dito ka na sa... Ayan, para medyo
Ayan.
makalipad siya ng
Magandang
malayo.
idea yan.
Ayan! There you go.
Wish number 3. I wish that my family will always be happy and healthy and safe.
Oh, that's a beautiful wish. Okay,
Ala, sige.
let's go.
Lipad, mga
On the
babaeng
wings of
kalapate.
love. Yeah!
Ang galing ko matunod ah.
On the wings of love. Ay, hinabol. They're on.
Pag-on sila. Tama-tama, dahil ka fourth wish ko.
Ay, ay.
segue.
Ay.
I wish for a papa.
Really?
Sino ba yan?
Ako?
Papa. Ayan. Sino ba
Ayan.
yan, Reg?
Wala pa nga eh. Wish
Anong
pa nga.
klaseng characteristics ang hinahanap mo
Parang dove,
Malaaga
parang dove.
mulak ba yan?
There we go.
O
Hindi naman
Ayan.
Robin Padilla?
Hindi naman, kahit ano.
Kahit ano.
Oo, kahit mixture nilang dalawa, okay lang. Oo.
Parang
O, sige.
aga na Robin.
Oo, mahirap yun, ano?
Hirap. Parang bito yung dating doon.
Okay, na parang Ogie.
Let the dove fly!
Okay.
Okay,
Eto,
for the
last wish.
Last wish, last
Okay,
wish.
last wish. I wish for sana wala ng disaster
Yan.
na dumating
Ba?
sa atin or anywhere else.
Ayan.
That's a nice
Okay,
wish.
go.
Okay, let the dove go. Bye!
Bye!
On the wings of love.
Yan, make my wishes come true, please.
Oo, at
Oh,
hindi lang ikaw ang
beautiful.
mag-wish.
Dapat tayo rin,
Oo,
family.
oo, kayo.
SOP
sino-
family. Ikaw muna, dahil ikaw naman yung tunay na kapatid. Ako naman ano lang.
Ampun ka ba?
Ampun lang ni Miss
Kapatid sa labas. Siyempre, ang dahil ko namang wish na mahanap nila ang lalaking kanyang mamahalin at mamahalin
Aha.
din siya.
Talagang I'm sure yun na ang wish niya.
Yeah.
What about you, G?
Ni sana the next big concert you have, Reg, makapunta ako. Yun ang wish ko. Hindi ako nakapunta, but I
Ba't nga
heard
ba
that it
wala
was
ka
great. Trabaho. But I heard it was great.
Thank you.
And sana pag nagka-concert ako,
parang-
i-direct mo rin ako.
Yun, yun. Parang
Ako-
magkaka-repeat yata kami. So,
Ako meron
parang
akong wish.
Ano?
Kasi the whole Philippines already knows how great you are as a talent, di ba?
thank you, ah.
Di ba? How great you are as a singer, as an actress.
Totoo yan, ha?
Di ba?
Totoo yan.
Ang gusto ko ngayon malaman ng buong mundo kung gaano kagaling si Regine Velasquez.
Yes,
Buong mundo.
worldwide, global talent.
Yun ang wish ko sa'yo.
Oh,
Ayun.
thank you, Augie. That's
Ako
a
yun
nice
din
wish.
sana ang wish ko eh. Kaya
Ah.
lang na-wish mo na, kaya...
Wishbone.
Para
Hindi.
pa iba naman.
Ang wish ko sana eh, tumaas pa ang kanta mo. ang boses mo para...
Tumaas pa ng konti.
Para maabot mo yung mga gusto mong abutin.
Oh, maganda yun, maganda yan, maganda yan.
At dahil dyan sa lahat nating wishes, meron po kaming birthday cake para sa'yo.
With matching
natin.
butterflies. Hari namang wala siyang age. Ayan,
Ah.
thank you, ah.
At
Maraming
syempre,
salamat sa inyo.
Kasama niya ng traditional na tapunan ng cake sa mukha.
Turuan niyang mga paru-paro na yan, hindi talaga lumilipad.
Para sa'yo lahat yan, Red.
So,
Thank you very much.
From SOP family, happy birthday.
Happy
to you.
birthday!
Thank you to my SOP family and thank you to everybody here in Baguio. Salamat po.
We love you, Reg. Don't forget that.
We will be back.
All right, the birthday celebrants right here.
Happy birthday.